Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable auto recover in your Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select the options near the bottom of this list. On the left side, you want to select the Save tile or tab. And then on the right side, where it says Save Auto Recover Information, you go ahead and check mark that or uncheck that if you want to enable or disable that feature. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.